Hello Friendlies! Welcome back to my channel. So I am super duper excited today because I actually just received a package from the Humane Skincare Company and I will be unboxing it here today. So if some of you guys will remember, a few years ago I actually reviewed the Humane BHA toner for your face. And I really did enjoy it a lot. I thought it was a very good product. But the Humane Company actually reached out to me last week asking if they could send me a few of their new products. And I was like, absolutely. So I actually got this box in the mail yesterday and I am super duper excited to try their products. But before we get started, I would just like to thank the Humane Company for sending me these products to try. It's very generous of you and thank you so much. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. I already broke the seal because I'm bad at opening seals on camera. I didn't want to fumble around, so I went ahead and did that off camera. But as I was saying, I love the box. I think it's super cute. And on the tabs you can see it's cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist tested, and clean. So right here we have a letter. It says, "Hi Rachel, enclosed are your newest skincare products." Our, not your. "Enclosed are our newest skincare products. Hope you like them." I love when people add letters. I think they add a nice touch. Alright, so they have a sample of their Humane oil-free moisturizer. It says it's a lightweight, antioxidant-rich formula that soothes and hydrates without clogging pores or causing breakouts. So I actually got 2 samples of that. So that's really nice. Alright, moving through the squiggly worms. Oh, so they actually gave me a big one. Oh, that's really nice. So I could let like my mom or one of my sisters use one of these samples and I could get the big one. Nice. So on the side it says it's made without sulfates, parabens, I don't know how to pronounce that word, petroleum phosphates, formaldehyde, propylene glycol, mineral oil, synthetic fragrance / color, DEA, triclosan, and GMOs. So what I can see, it has aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, cucumber extract, and grapeseed extract. That's just at a glance. That looks really nice. I like that. Moving along. Ooh, nice. So this is the Humane Clarifying Toner Pads. Nice. I've been meaning to get me another exfoliant. So on the clarifying toner pads, it says it's a daily treatment pad that gently exfoliates, banishing blemishes and restoring radiance to skin in one easy step. It says it contains salicylic acid to clear pore congestion and speed cell turnover, with green tea extract to soothe and protect. I can't wait to try this. I'm really super duper excited. Another thing that I really like in skincare products are when it has a simple formula. Simple, but still has great ingredients. And these 2 products, they look like they have a very nice, simple ingredients list, but they have great ingredients in it. That's what I like. Because sometimes bigger isn't always better. I'll definitely have to do some more research on the ingredients, but so far they look really good. Alright, moving along. We have the Humane Acne Spot Treatment Gel with 5% benzoyl peroxide. It says it penetrates pores to prevent future breakouts. It shrinks blemishes, reducing inflammation and redness. That's very good because I have a lot of redness on my skin. So that looks like it's everything. Alright, so that is everything in the box. Thank you again, Humane Company, for sending me all these skincare products. I can't wait to try them all. Also, what would you guys like to see me review next? The spot treatment gel, the clarifying toner pads, or the oil-free moisturizer? You can tell me in the comments down below, I'd love to know. So don't forget to show the Humane Company a little bit of love today. You can go follow them on Instagram, and I will leave it linked in the description of this video. Alrighty guys, I will see y'all later. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!